14, pass to number 50 sa ilalim. Wala, 15 pa rin. Wala, foul. Ay, good. So, A and B. 2 points, Marvin Rivera. 2-0. 14 to number 0. Take it drive. Foul by number 0-0. Pat Lopez.
Taas ka, boy! Taas pa.
9 minutes and 25 seconds. 14, take it 3. Number 14. 3-2. Abi, pass to Mac. To Jason. Mac. To Pat. 16 seconds to shoot. Abi, take it 2. Wala. Rebound by bola na. Team A. Na 8 minutes and 58 seconds. Yung mga bagong dating para malusan na lang po. Thank you. 8 minutes and 49. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 14. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Good ball. Foul by number 8 minutes and 27. Score 3-2 in favor of Team A. Lota 2. Wala. Rebound by Mac. Pass to Pat. To Abin. To number. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. 17 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Lota. 8 minutes and 8 seconds. To number 14. Now pass to 23. 2 points. To number 23. 5-2. 7 minutes and 54. Wala. Rebound by number 23. 5-2 in favor of Team A. Sa ilalim na naman, what a dish. 2 points by number 23. 7-2. 7 minutes and 35. Wala. Rebound ni number 14. 14, take it 3, wala. Rebound ni DP. Pass to Mac, 2 points, Mac Calipes. 7-4. 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Yun na, si Kyle, start na. No Sky, take 2, wala. Rebound by Mac.
Jogging, papunta rito.
Steal by number 0. To number 14. Steal again by Abi. Good ball. To Pat. 20 seconds to shoot. JP. To Pat. 16 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by. Good ball. 6 minutes and 37 seconds. To 23, Del Val, tumangga. Foul. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Labas na po, nasol na yan. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by. Wala. Turnover. Bola ng Team B. Labas na po yan. Good yan. Exactly 6 minutes. Good na yan ha. 15 seconds to shoot. Mac, take it 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Pat. 10 seconds to shoot. Mac. Good ball. 5 minutes. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by number 0. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Still. Pero foul. 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Labas na po yan. Labas na po. Labas, pasok, pasok, labas. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. To number 0. 19 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. Last possession before change. Pag-steal or shoot. Ano na yan? Change na yan. Change court. Change court na po yan. Change court. Change court na po. Change court. Kanina bola. Change court na. Bola na Team A. Sa mga bago nating po, lapit lang po sa square table para mailagay na po. Shoutout po kay San Friends. Napaka-pogi. 22 seconds to shoot. Steal. By pass. Nakakuha ni number 14. Nakakuha ni number 15. 4 minutes and 30. Lumipad. Foul. Foul by Matt Lopez again. Second personal foul. 4 minutes and 23. Score 7-4 in favor of Team A. Intercepted by pass. Bola na Team A. 14 seconds to shoot. Labas na po yan. Good ball. 10 seconds. Di na pipindot kasi sa paling. Wow, 15 seconds to shoot. Labas ako. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 54. 9 seconds. Steal by number 14. Back down na. 2 points. Back Kalipes. 7-6. Isa na lang. Alamangan ng Team B. Ay Team A pala. Tingin ito wala. Rebound by Del Val. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow. Ano yan? Good. Turnover. Labas na po.
Running time eh.
Dahil labas na po. Para po makadami. To number 5. To Rivera. To number 5. 17 seconds to shoot. Rivera sa ilalim. Rivera pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 15. 3 minutes exactly. Maat. Lumipad si Maat. Wala. Rebound by Del Val. Wow. Foul by number 12. JP Antal. 10 seconds to shoot yan. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Score 7-6 pa rin. Lamangan Team A ng isa. 7-6 pa rin. Good. 10 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Labas na po. 2 minutes and 30. Good ball na po yan. Tumak. Steal by number 23. Del Val. Sa kanya pa rin. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Sa ilalim. To number 14. 14. 2 balls. To number 14. 9-6. Good ball. Last 2 minutes. Take it 3. Bola. Rebound by Pat. Sa ilalim. Foul by number 0. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 9-6. Tatlo lang. 9-6. Tumak sa ilalim. 2 boys. Mac Kalipes. 9-8. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Del Val, take it 3. Wala. Rebound ni Lota. 9 seconds to shoot. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound ni JP. 9-8. Steal ka number 14. Complete steal kaya. Pero sayang. Good hustle. Bola na. Team B. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 9-8 ang score. Lamang ng isa ang Team A. 1 minute na lang. Exactly. To number 5. Tish to back. Ang ganda pasa. 2 boys. Change favor. 10-9. 53 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Number 14. Crossover move. Steal by Mac Kalipes. Mac. Lumipad. 2 points. Mac Kalipes. 12-9. 39 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 82. Wala. Rebound by James. Number 5. 32 seconds. Pass to Marvin. Rivera. To Mac Kalipes. 18 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Shot clock off. 20 seconds. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Shot clock off yan. 13 seconds. Tatlo lang kalabahan. Take it 3. Wala. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1.